Hi, this experiment is called It Ain't Easy Being Cheesy. For this experiment, you're also going to need adult supervision because we're going to be doing some cooking. From your kit, you will need your beaker, small test tube, measuring spoon, and a pipette. From home, you'll need some lemon juice or vinegar, milk, a strainer or cheesecloth, and a bowl. Using your beaker, measure 40 milliliters of milk. Now, with your adult, place the milk into a microwave oven and microwave from 20 to 40 seconds. When you remove the milk, make sure that you're wearing some oven mitts. While the milk is cooking, I want you to take your pipette and measure 10 milliliters of either the lemon juice or vinegar into your test tube. That was 4. Another 3 makes 7. And another 3 makes 10. Slowly add the lemon juice into the milk that's been heated. And take your spoon and stir it. You're going to have to stir for quite some time. And longer. And longer. And longer. And more. And keep stirring and stirring and stirring. Going as fast as you possibly can. And keep stirring until clumps begin to form. Then, take your strainer and hold it over your bowl. Pour the milk mixture out into the strainer, and you will have some yummy cheese.